Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Valorant custom games. So you can find Valorant custom games on the right side, right here. Then when you're at the Valorant custom games, you'll be able to choose the game options, like on allow cheats, tournament modes, overtime, playout rounds, or hide match histories. And once you're done there, you can choose a server that you want. Like for example, Hong Kong, Singapore, Tokyo, Mumbai, or Sydney. But that's for me because that's my server. Now, you'll be able to choose any map that you want. You can Pearl, Lotus, or Sunset, or any of those. You can either go to Attackers, Defenders, or Observer. And you can choose a mode that you want. So for example, you can do it as Deathmatch mode, or Escalation mode, or a Swift Play mode. But right now, I'm gonna choose Standard mode. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.